What's up, guys? Welcome back once again. How's it doing, guys? It's your boy Nobis FX. So, in today's video, we'll be talking about trend line. We'll be talking about trend line. So, what actually is a trend line? You have heard about trend line. And in the last video, I also made mention of trend line. Okay, trend line is one we use in a trend market. Okay, while support and resistance is one we use in a range market. So a trend line is a tool that traders use to know the actual direction of the market. Okay, it's a tool that us traders we use to know the actual direction of the market, unlike support and resistance. Okay, um, and it should have a minimum of 2 touches to confirm a valid trend line. A valid trend line should have a minimum of 2 touches. Okay, unlike support and resistance that has a minimum of 3 touches. And it can serve as support and resistance on the chart. Okay, it can also serve as support and resistance, but it's not the actual support and resistance. We buy and sell on the touches of the trend line. So trend line, we have something like this. Okay, we have something like this. So this one is the uptrend and this one is downtrend market. You can see the touches there. Okay, you can see the touches 1, 2. We just need 2 touches so that it will be a valid trend line. And for me, I don't normally buy immediately when price drop there. I don't set a pending order. So I have my confirmation. I'm a conservative trader, not an aggressive. I have to see my confirmation entry before I can do anything stupid in it. Okay, so this is my first touch and second touch. Okay, then on the third touch, I have to wait for something before I can go. So that my confirmation entry, I call it A plus setup. So if you want to know about it, just let me know. Okay, guys, you all can send me a DM or leave a comment on the comment section. Okay, so here's it. We enter, we buy, and we buy in an uptrend. So in an uptrend market, since we say that trend line serves as support and resistance, okay, in an uptrend market, the trend line will serve as what? Support or resistance? Let me know in the comment section. Just type it now before I can say the answer. Yeah. Okay, if you say it will serve as a resistance, you are wrong. It will actually serve as support. Why? Because like I said, we buy from support, we sell from resistance. So if this thing serve actually as a resistance, why should we be buying? Why we say that we sell from resistance and buy from support? And you notice that price is going up. Okay, so going up means we are buying, going down we are selling. Okay, guys, don't mistake this simple scenario. Okay, uptrend market, the trend line will serve as support, while in downtrend the trend line will serve as what? As a resistance. So we buy here. That means whenever price reaches here. Okay, let me bring out my measurement. Okay, that means whenever price reaches here, okay, we buy, then set our stop loss below it. Okay, for beginners who doesn't know how to make use of the trading view, I'll still make video about trading view tutorial for complete beginners. Okay, just stick around, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like the video, share it, and hit the notification button on, so that whenever I upload new video, you also be among the first to get it. Okay, so yeah, this about the trend line. So the downtrend line, let me zoom this thing out so you guys can see it actually. So the downtrend line, unlike the uptrend, in the downtrend, okay, the trend line serves as a resistance. Why? Because we sell from resistance and buy from support. Don't forget this, guys. Don't forget this scenario. You can just shut it down. We buy from support and sell from resistance. So on the downtrend, the trend line will serve as a resistance. That means we'll be selling. We'll be looking for selling opportunity. Whenever the price see the first touch and second touch, that means on the next touch you have to sell. Okay, on the next touch again you have to sell till finally the trend line is broken. Because market cannot just continue moving like this everlasting. Okay, it will also change direction. I will still make video about break of structure and change of character, and that should be on the next video. Okay, guys. So the market does not it doesn't move one direction. Okay, it will still change. Okay, that is why you have to work with the top-down analysis. So what is top-down analysis? Top-down analysis, whenever you want to analyze the chart, start from the higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay, So stick around, I'll still make video about that. I'll also upload video how I make my top that analysis. Okay guys, I have a free channel, or I have a free Telegram channel where I upload some updates on free updates on forex trading, and also tutorials, and also free signals. You can stick around. The link will be in the description below. Don't forget guys, hit it up. Let's be in contact. Okay, so I would like to show you some of the examples of this trend line of 18 on the chart. Okay, so this is good. This is 1 hour on good. Let me know if I can spot anyone. Okay, I don't really want to make this video long, so that, because I know long video is it will reach to a point that it will start getting boring. Okay, so that's why I don't like making long video on the tutorial, especially the beginner tutorial, so that you guys won't be carried away. But for this, let me just try to check if I can see anything. I actually saw one there, but I'm still looking for a clearer one, so that okay. Let me check this. Okay, so this is how Trendline really works. We draw from the two recent low. Okay, so Trendline we draw from the two recent low. Let me just make the line bold so you can see it. So Trendline we draw from the two recent low. Don't forget this guys. Let me just type it in. For a valid Trendline we draw from two recent low. We draw from two recent low or high. So this is about the trend line. We draw from the two recent low or high. You can see this first touch one. You can see the first touch 1, 2. On the third one, this is where we take action. You can see the fourth one. Okay, see how the price moves up. Okay, so guys, like I told you, price doesn't move in one direction everlasting. It will still break the trend. Okay, so this is where you can see where the trend is being broken, and afterward it start moving in the same direction. So for those of you that normally place a pending order, had it be that you place a pending order here, now you can see how your stop loss will be taken out. So that is why I don't like placing an order. Wait for my confirmation entry. If it's me, I won't just take a trade here because my confirmation is not yet played out. Okay, so but here my confirmation is played out, so that is why I can buy here. Then for here I won't do anything. Okay, so let me spot another one. Remember, we draw from two recent low. Don't forget this guys. For a valid trend line, you don't need 5 touches to say the trend line is valid. No, just 2 or 3. For more conservative, you can say 3. Okay, see this one. This is a very cool method. Wow, can see this one now. Can see this one guys. Can see this one. See the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. You can see the pump up. You can see this pump up. You can see this pump up. So I haven't seen a downtrend. So if you have any question, you can leave the comments in the comment section. Any pair that you want me to analyze for you, can just join the free our Telegram. There is where we do free pair analysis. Okay, like the pairs you select will make the analysis for you. I'm looking for one that will be at least okay. This one is a downtrend. Okay, and this one is very massive. You can see this thing guys. You can see it clearly guys. You can see a downtrend market. Wow, you can see a downtrend market. So this is the first touch, second touch, third touch, okay, fourth, fifth, sixth. So it must, like, it's not must that the price will touch exactly the trend line. You can adjust it like this. You can just adjust it like this. You can see this is a valid trend line. You could have take your sell here, take your sell here, take your sell. Just and another thing is that you don't just depend on the trend line. You also have to see other confirmation before you can take action. Like for me now, when trading a trend line, I have 3 confirmations there. My trend line, my zone, and my zone again. I won't just mention it. Okay, but I have confirmation. Okay, Just join the Telegram channel. We leak more of the secret on the Telegram channel. Please guys, don't forget, the link will be in the description. Okay, so this is for downtrend. Okay, here now this trend will serve as a resistance. Okay, this trend will serve as a resistance, unlike that of the uptrend where it serves as support. Okay, if you continue going, you still see more. Okay, guys, just play around with this thing. You can backtest. There's what we call backtesting. I will still make video. I will still backtest live with you guys one day. I'll still stick around to the channel. We'll still make or build more videos. Okay, so that is all about the trend line. Okay, if you head over to another page, you also spot trend line really work. It's one of my best trading strategy. You can see this one. I spotted another one here now. I see this one. Just that this one moves, it doesn't get the actual. I won't say like if you could have said from here, see how the thing moves. So this one is not really a valid trend line. It's not really, but you can spot a support zone. In the last video, we made a video about support and resistance. You can see the support. You can see actually the support here now. You can see the support, first, second, third. See how the price is really respecting there, and you can also spot your resistance zone on top. So this is very simple. Forex trading is very simple. Just that, do you have the mentality? Do you have your psychology? Can you control your emotion? So that is why a lot of people fail. I'll still make video about emotional control and psychological control into forex. Why the reason why beginners fail in trading? Okay, I have experienced that when I was starting forex. I've really experienced that, a lot of losses. I greediness. I don't control my emotion, fear of missing out, and blah blah blah. All of them are what really kills traders into this field. Okay, so that is it all about this video. Don't forget, please like, share, and leave a comment on this video. See you next time.